Alright guys, so how does one install one of these Xenon light bulbs? Well, it should be pretty straightforward, and I hope it will be. You sort of unscrew this, but before you do, you want to make sure that you have some other source of light, so you know and you can see what you're doing. And the other thing that you want to do is to make sure that you've turned off the itself, and then you'll have to sort of align these two little pins, which is super annoying to do. And if at some point you're able to do it, which doesn't look like I'm going to be able to do it. I have done this before. There we go. And just push it in like that. And then go to the power outlet and turn it on. And then you can see that it works. And you turn it off again, because these bits of glass right here tend to get hot if the light's on. So try to put it on there like that, and you turn it left, and it should stay in place, but it's not. Okay, nope. Alright. Will it stay on? These things are not great. So once it's set up, then you turn it to the right, actually, not the left, until it stays in place. And unfortunately, with vibrations here in California, at some point it will just unscrew and fall off, which is why I don't like these things. But there you have it. Thanks for watching.